Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change the due date on your Flo app. So guys, if you're pregnant and Flo app has automatically generated a due date on the app, then you can change it too. So just go ahead and open the app, and once you're there, all you need to do is just scroll sideways till you find this potential due date. Go ahead and tap on it. So guys, it says here that to read more, you just need to unlock premium. So if you want to change your due date, then you must get the premium subscription and change your due date. That's all guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.